Hello friends. Have you ever wondered how American farmers manage to raise nearly 73 million pigs every year? From state-of-the-art barns to sustainable feeding and waste systems, pigs farms across the U.S. are transforming traditional agriculture with modern technology. Join us on Trending Farm as we uncover the incredible processes behind one of the most advanced and efficient farming industries in the world. Over the past decade, the U.S. pork farming and processing industry has established itself as a global powerhouse, producing nearly 20% of the world's pork supply. The U.S. boasts over 63,000 pig farms, concentrated in key states like Iowa, Minnesota, and North Carolina. These farms vary in size and scale, yet collectively meet the demand for domestic consumption and export. While 76% of U.S. pork is enjoyed at home, 24% is exported to major markets such as Japan, China, and Mexico. Modern pigs farms use cutting-edge technology to enhance efficiency and sustainability. The United States is home to a diverse range of pigs farms, varying widely in size and scale to meet the needs of local and global markets. With over 63,000 pig farms across the country, operations range from small family-owned farms to massive commercial farms housing tens of thousands. Small-scale farms are often found in rural areas where pigs may roam freely or live in smaller barns. These are more common in southern states like Texas, where free-range practices still exist. In contrast, large-scale commercial farms dominate regions such as Iowa, Minnesota, and North Carolina. Iowa alone accounts for about 23.4 million pigs across 5,400 farms. These larger farms employ automated systems for feeding, health monitoring, and waste management, making them the backbone of U.S. pork production. Pork starts with the perfect breed, and American farmers carefully select pig breeds to meet production and market demands. Berkshire pigs, accounting for over 70% of breeding stock in the U.S., with up to 60% lean meat yield and minimal back fat, making them ideal for large-scale pork production. In contrast, Berkshire pigs, often sold at a 20 to 30% premium, are renowned for their richly marbled meat, superior tenderness, and flavor, appealing to high-end and specialty markets. Experts emphasize the importance of adaptability in pig breeds. Dr. Jean Gorley, a swine nutritionist, notes that Yorkshires thrive in most environments, making them perfect for intensive farming. While Berkshires excel in smaller operations catering to gourmet markets. Technological innovation in fertilization and genetics has revolutionized pig farming in the U.S., enabling farmers to enhance productivity and meat quality. Artificial insemination, now widely used on pigs' farms, ensures precise genetic selection, allowing farmers to breed pigs with optimal traits such as lean muscle, faster growth rates, and disease resistance. This scientific approach not only maximizes efficiency, but also reduces waste, as healthier pigs require fewer resources. The reproduction process and piglet care in American pig farms follow advanced standards designed to maximize efficiency and ensure animal welfare. The gestation period for a sow averages 114 days, after which the farrowing process is carefully managed, with piglets arriving approximately every 15 minutes. Controlled environments are essential. Newborn piglets require heating pads or lamps to maintain temperatures around 24 to 25 deg, as cold stress is a leading cause of pre-weaning mortality, affecting millions of piglets annually. Piglets nurse immediately after birth, and sows are provided with high-energy lactation diets to support their growing litters. Most piglets are weaned by 21 days on commercial farms, though smaller operations may extend this period up to 6 weeks to enhance development. The pig feed storage system is a crucial component of efficient operations on pig farms, often involving silos or tanks for holding processed grains, such as corn and soybeans. These storage systems allow farms to maintain a steady supply of feed, which accounts for about 75% of total production costs in pig farming. self-supply of grains, where farmers grow and process their own crops, provides significant economic benefits. By using their harvests to produce pig feed, farm owners reduce reliance on external suppliers and mitigate fluctuations in grain prices, which can heavily impact profitability. Automatic cleaning systems in pig farms have revolutionized hygiene management, ensuring healthier environments for pigs while reducing labor costs. These systems often include high-pressure washers, automated nozzle setups, and integrated disinfection mechanisms. For instance, advanced systems can cost between $20,000 and $50,000, depending on the scale and customization, offering up to a 40% reduction in manual cleaning labor. Effective systems minimize disease risks, enhancing pig welfare and meat quality, while saving time and effort. Waste management and manure reuse are vital practices on modern pig farms, helping reduce environmental impacts and increase sustainability. In many farms, manure is collected through advanced slurry systems or anaerobic digesters, which separate solids and liquids for more efficient handling. The liquid portion can be spread on fields as a natural fertilizer, while solid manure can be composted or turned into energy, such as biogas. Technologies like automatic slurry discharge systems are enhancing this process, minimizing labor and improving efficiency. Transporting pigs from farms to processing plants is a crucial step in maintaining animal welfare and meat quality. Pigs are typically transported in climate-controlled trucks, which are designed to prevent overcrowding and ensure adequate ventilation. To minimize this, transportation adheres to strict use day guidelines, focusing on travel time, temperature, and the well-being of the animals. Travel duration can vary, with trips sometimes lasting up to 24 hours. Long-distance hauls are planned with rest breaks to prevent exhaustion. Upon arrival at the processing plant, pigs are swiftly unloaded and moved to holding pens before slaughter. At a food processing facility, the journey of transforming pork begins once the animals are transported to the plant. After arriving, they are stunned to ensure humane treatment, followed by a thorough inspection for quality and safety. The carcasses are then carefully handled to ensure the highest standards. The meat is divided into large sections, which are further broken down into smaller cuts using precision machinery and skilled workers. This process is highly automated, with advanced technology ensuring consistency and efficiency in the cutting process. Afterward, the pork is packaged and stored in refrigerated environments to maintain freshness. With stringent food safety protocols and innovations in processing, the final products are ready for distribution both domestically and internationally, ensuring high-quality standards at every stage. In Australia, loading and transporting cattle to processing plants is a carefully regulated process to ensure animal welfare and efficiency. Farmers in the farming documentary adhere to strict national standards, such as the Australian Animal Welfare Standards and Guidelines for the land transport of livestock, which mandate adequate rest, water access, and safe handling practices. Trucks are typically loaded with cattle weighing an average of 1,100 to 1,300 pounds each, and transport times are kept under 30 hours to minimize stress. However, farmers often share the challenges of navigating remote regions, unpredictable weather, and rising fuel costs, all of which add complexity to this vital stage of production. In this farming documentary, we'll delve into how these obstacles are tackled while maintaining Australia's world-class transport standards. The beef processing process in an Australian factory has been revolutionized by the integration of advanced machinery, significantly boosting efficiency and product quality. Modern factories utilize automated systems such as robotic cutters, grading machines, and conveyor belts, which streamline operations and reduce manual labor. These upgrades often come with substantial costs, with state-of-the-art machinery installations ranging from odd $5 million to odd $15 million. However, the benefits are clear. Output has increased by up to 30%, and processing times have been cut in half compared to manual methods. Before automation, factories relied heavily on human labor, leading to slower production rates and higher risks of inconsistency. In many farming documentaries, the shift to machinery has not only lowered operational costs over time, but also ensured that Australian beef remains competitive in global markets. After processing, beef is consumed in various forms, including fresh cuts like steaks and roasts, ground beef for burgers, and processed products such as sausages and jerky. In Australia, beef consumption is among the highest globally, with the average Australian consuming approximately 42 pounds per person annually. Globally, beef consumption levels vary, with the United States leading at around 57 pounds per capita.
Cattle women across this great country of ours who are raising this high-quality protein beef.
While demand is steadily increasing in emerging markets like China and Southeast Asia due to rising incomes and changing dietary preferences. Experts in the farming documentary note that restaurants drive significant demand for beef, particularly in premium segments such as steakhouses and gourmet burger chains, as consumers often associate beef with high-quality dining experiences. This robust demand underscores the importance of beef as both a staple and a luxury food in many markets. Food safety standards in Australia are strictly enforced through a combination of federal, state, and industry regulations featured in farming documentaries. Key frameworks include the Australia-New Zealand Food Standards Code and the Australian Meat Industry Council AMIC guidelines, which mandate rigorous hygiene practices, temperature controls, and pathogen testing throughout the supply chain. Specific standards like hazard analysis and critical control points HACCP ensure risks are identified and mitigated during production and processing, while the National Livestock Identification System NLIS provides traceability for every animal. These stringent standards enhance consumer confidence in beef products, ensuring they are safe, high quality, and free from contaminants. As a result, Australians widely trust locally produced beef, driving sustained domestic consumption and solidifying the industry's reputation both locally and in export markets in many farming documentaries. Australian cattle farms are designed to meet high food safety standards with facilities tailored to ensure animal welfare and product quality. A typical large-scale farm in the farming documentary may span over 5,000 hectares, 12,000 acres, and house up to 2,000 head of cattle. Barns on these farms are spacious, with an average area of 1,200 square meters, 13,000 square feet. Designed to accommodate up to 300 cattle per barn during feeding or sheltering periods. These barns feature proper ventilation systems, sloped floors for easy cleaning, and separate zones for feeding and resting to maintain hygiene. Water troughs are strategically placed and cleaned regularly to prevent contamination, while feed is stored in sealed silos to ensure freshness. Such carefully planned farms in the farming documentary designs align with Australia's rigorous food safety standards, ensuring the production of high-quality beef that meets both domestic and international demands. On typical Australian cattle farms, cattle diets are meticulously managed to ensure the health and quality of beef, which directly impacts food safety. Cattle graze primarily on grass from large pastures, with supplements such as grain or silage making up 10 to 20% of their diet during the dry season. Farmers thoroughly clean cattle sheds every 1 to 2 weeks, using high-pressure water systems to clean floors, feed troughs, and water tanks. This cleaning process can involve up to 1,000 liters, 264 gallons of water at a time, ensuring waste and potential contaminants are removed. Farmers often report that these tasks, although labor-intensive and taking up to 15% of their operating time, are vital to the health of their herd and compliance with food safety standards. Such diligent practices significantly reduce the risk of contamination, enhancing the safety and quality of Australian beef for consumers. Do other farms have similar hygiene regulations? Watch Trending Farm's farming documentary to find out more.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.